Press Offset button. Press Offset soft key. Keep the cursor on required H-code number. Input the tool length value as measured by the presetter. Select Handle Mode. Select Axis and Feed to move tool. Touch the tool at the top surface of the component by using MPG. Press Offset button. Press Work soft key. Type Z and tool length value. Press Measure soft key. Now the work offset of Z-axis has set successfully. Tool length value will appear at absolute position of Z-axis. Measure the tool length using the presetter and enter the value on the offset page for required tools.